Hey everyone, welcome back to another Power by 1 Minute tip, where I help you master powerful tricks in Power by quickly, simply, and in a way you'll actually remember. Today we're going to learn how to make shapes unclickable in just 3 clicks. That's right, in less time than it takes to find your coffee mug, you'll know exactly how to turn any shape, icon, or image into a true background decoration that your users can't accidentally interact with. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make your reports cleaner, more user-friendly, and free of annoying, unexpected shape clicks. Alright, let's dive straight into the process. First, start by selecting the shape you want to make unclickable. In your Power by report, this could be any kind of shape, maybe a rectangle you're using as a colored banner, a decorative circle, an icon to draw attention, or even an image you're using to polish up the layout. All you need to do is just click on that shape to select it. You'll know it's selected if you see little handles pop up around the edges. Don't worry if you're not sure where your shapes are. Sometimes in complex reports, small decorative elements blend in, but just give them a quick click. Once your shape is selected, go over to the Format pane on the right side of your screen. If you're not familiar, the Format pane is like your control center for tweaking how things look and behave in Power by. In the Format pane, you'll want to find the section labeled General, and then within that, look for Properties. Think of properties like the behind-the-scenes switches that tell Power by exactly how this shape should act. Now comes the magic trick. Inside the Properties area, there are 2 key settings we can use. First, you might see an option called Maintain Layer Order. Go ahead and toggle this off. This setting, when on, sometimes keeps your shapes interactive and clickable. Turning it off tells Power by, hey, this shape doesn't need to do anything except just sit there looking good. Alternatively, if your shape has an action toggle, this usually appears if you've previously set up navigation or links. Simply switch that off as well. Basically, you want to make sure that the shape has no interactive actions attached to it anymore. These 2 options, Maintain Layer Order and Action, are like the security guards for your shapes. Turn them off and your shapes will remain purely decorative. Sometimes it might take a moment for Power by to update, but don't worry if you don't see an instant visual change. The interactivity is gone even if the shape looks the same. And that's it, your shape is now unclickable. It just serves as a visual element, a part of your report's background, and won't get in the way when users interact with real visuals or slicers. Why does this matter? Imagine you're building a dashboard and you have a bold header across the top as a colored shape. If users click that by accident, it can disrupt their navigation or bring up annoying tooltips. By making shapes unclickable, you're reducing the chances for frustration, keeping the report easier to use, and helping your audience focus right where you want them, on your data and actual interactive elements. So next time you're polishing up your Power by report, remember this quick trick. It's just 3 clicks, but it can really make a world of difference for user experience. If you found this tip helpful, please drop a like on the video, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other quick Power by hacks you want to see. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss more time-saving tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.